Kuingira kwa homa ya coronavirus guku bururi-ini nikuo gwacungiriirie kurugamio kwa mihango ya uheani wa motungata mamwe ma thirikari maria maheanagwo thiini wa Huduma Centers, amu uingi wa andu aria mekinyagia kwimathira motungata macio ni ungiacungiriirie gutherema makiria kwa murimu uyu.
We are very proud about Huduma numbers, but we couldn't allow Huduma to continue if we have not put in the necessary precautions to make sure that when people come to Huduma Centers they are safe.
Ona kuri uguo, thirikari ni irecurania uria uheani wa motungata macio ugucokereria rungu rwa mitaratara mirumu iria ikurumirirwo niguo gutigirira itacokia riri ritinanyita itemi hari gutambia COVID-19 guku bururi-ini. Akiaria icera-ini riake Huduma Center-ini iria ĩ taũni-inĩ ya Thika kaunti-inĩ ya Kiambu, mutabarĩri wa mihango ya oro muthenya ministry-inĩ ya uruti wĩra wa mũingĩ na guthaitĩra mbeũ njithi Rachel Shebesh augĩte no andũ anini maria mokagira motungata maya hari muthenya.
We are at an advanced stage of rolling out a program of Huduma that can deal at this time of corona. We think that if we just allowed a few people to come in every day, we can manage numbers. Every Huduma Center can tell us how many they think they can manage using the guidelines of the Ministry of Health, and that's what we are working on now.
Murugamiriri wa Huduma Center no Sharon Nduku augite andu aingi makoretwo magiciria Huduma Centers ni ciakanyirirwo ona thengia wa gukorwo ni ikoretwo ikiheana mamwe ma motungata.
Kwa sasa tunahudumia watu kama 200 tu kwa siku, ambao ni wale wanachukua kitambulisho, wale wanachukua birth certificate na death certificate, na kwa sababu ya mambo ya kufile returns za KRA tumefungulia pia watu waje wa file returns.
We have still 3 services that are going on: the birth certificate, the identity cards, and KRA. KRA especially because this is the time for filing returns.
Na kuona amwe ya andu aria mekinyagia Huduma Center-ini ino ni akuma kaunti-ini cia Murang'a na Machakos matikoretwo makihota kwimathira motungata maria maraheanwo ihinda-ini riri ni undu wa mitaratara iria gathikitwo ni thirikari ya kurigiriria gutherema kwa homa ya coronavirus.
Watu wengi wanatoka upande wa Murang'a, pande za Kandara, pande za Gatanga, wengine wanatoka pande za Machakos, pande za Kilimani na Goliba, wengine wa Gatundu North, na kwa sasa wamefungiwa hawawezi fika kwa center.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Muiruri wa Kang'ara.